So friends, in our previous tutorial, we created one class by name singly linked list and we implemented the singly linked list into this class. We also implemented a display method which was actually printing each and every node of this singly linked list. So friends, let's write a method which will insert a node into the beginning of this singly linked list. So first we'll create a method insert first. So we have created one method by name insert first because we are inserting this node to the beginning of this singly linked list, and this method takes in an integer value which we actually want to provide to the list node which we want to add to the beginning of this singly linked list. So in the first step what we do is we create this list node, and to the constructor of list node we pass in the value. So after this step a new node is created having data as whatever the value we have passed. So in order to insert this new node to the beginning of the singly linked list, what we do is to new nodes next we provide a value which is stored in the head, and in the last step what we do is we simply now point head to this new node. So friend, this is the method which inserts the node to the beginning of the singly linked list. Now let's test its working. So first we'll insert a node having value as 11 and we'll simply print the singly linked list on the console. So here you see singly linked list has one node having data as 11. Now let's say we insert 8 and we also insert a node having value as 1, and if I run this code now, so friends, here you can see the singly linked list contains 3 nodes now. First we inserted 11 and then we inserted 8 to the beginning of the singly linked list, so 8 came before 11, and finally we inserted a node having data as 1 which came just before the 8. So friends, this is how we insert the node to the beginning of a singly linked list in Java. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.